If you like burning money, then don't watch this video about a $0 air conditioning tune-up tip. It is July in Tennessee, and this thing is running at least 12 hours a day. You might not be able to tell, but there is dirt and dust and mildew that gets into these fins, and even 1/100th of an inch of debris can lower the efficiency and change how hard this thing has to work. Your air conditioner is fighting for its life right now. The first step is find a disconnect box. It sounds like it's going to be harder than it is. This thing right here, yours might not look exactly like this, but all you got to do is pull it out. When you pull it out, you have disconnected the power. Now you can turn it in or whatever, but I just like to put it on top. You don't need to be handy or have a bunch of tools to do the basics of this. All you need is a hose. Let me find the hose. Let me find the setting. Without taking anything off, I'm going to use the flat setting on here, and I'm going to shoot on the inside because there's two sets of coils. There's an outside and an inside. So here we go. You can see I'm not being super effective, but you really don't have to be. You might not be able to see it. I'm not trying to spray this. I'm trying to spray the coils on the inside wall, which, if you follow me over here, they're just the inside portion of these coils. So not this grid, the coils inside. Once you get the inside, however many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 sides, then you want to do the outside as well. I'm just going to go top to bottom to try to push the dirt, the dust, the mildew. So that's it. If you don't want to use any tools, just use your garden hose. Make sure you're rinsing off the inside coils and the outside coils. If you're a little bit handy and have some tools, you can actually take off this top screen with a couple of bolts right here, and that'll let you get in closer to those coils on the inside. For an even deeper clean, if you are handy and have tools, you can actually take this entire top off. You see these bolts here? You can take the top off and you can use a coil cleaner spray. I'll show you that in a part 2 video on a little deeper clean. Don't forget to put your cutoff back in. Same way, off on. As a bonus tip, check your air filters inside, see if they need replacing, because that can help too.